Say goodbye to gray hair permanently with just 3 simple ingredients. This method is proven to be 100% effective, so make sure to save this video and not miss out. Your hair will regain its natural color effortlessly. To start, gather your 3 essential ingredients. Begin with cloves, which are known for restoring your hair's natural color. Take a tablespoon of cloves and place them in a saucepan. Next, collect onion peels. They are rich in antioxidants and protect your hair from premature aging. Add the onion peels to the saucepan. Use 2 tea bags of black tea, as black tea is excellent for darkening white hair. Add a cup of water to the saucepan. Now, follow these steps to prepare the mixture. Bring the saucepan to a boil and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Keep it on the heat until the water's color darkens. Strain the mixture using a sieve and store it in a glass jar for daily use. You can also keep it in the refrigerator for an extended period. Apply the mixture to your hair from the roots to the tips using a spray bottle. Cover your hair with a bathing cap or plastic wrap. Leave it on for 2 hours, then rinse your hair with water only, without using shampoo. Repeat this recipe twice a week, and you'll witness gradual and